Password reset not sending email on Huntington Bank Fix. You've clicked Forgot Password on your Huntington Bank login page, but no reset email ever comes through. Don't worry, this happens more often than you think, and it's simple to fix once you know what's going on. Start by checking your spam or junk folder. Huntington's password reset emails usually come from no-reply-huntington.com. Your email provider might filter it out, especially if you received marketing messages from the bank before. Search for Huntington password to find it faster. If it's not there, confirm that you're entering the correct email associated with your online banking account. Many users mix up personal and work emails, which causes the reset to go to the wrong inbox. Next, at Huntington, come to your email safe sender or whitelist. Then request a new password reset link and give it at least 10 minutes to arrive. If the email still doesn't come, try using a desktop browser instead of the mobile app. App requests sometimes fail to send if your connection drops or if the session times out. Also, make sure your inbox has space for new messages. A full mailbox can silently block automated emails from being delivered. If none of these steps work, reach out directly to Huntington Bank's customer service. They can verify your identity and manually help you regain access. Most people assume this problem is technical, but the surprising truth is that spam filters and wrong email entries are responsible for almost every case. Follow these simple fixes and you'll be back into your Huntington Bank account before you know it.